Okay, I think you'll enjoy this video. Okay, this is the gym on my rooftop and the swimming pool. You can see it's a very old gym, but it does the trick. And now I'm gonna go outside, and I've got a view of downtown here. It's pretty bright. It's pretty bright outside, but this is up on the roof here. There's a train over there. You can't see it. That's the big train in Bangkok. It takes you everywhere. And this is the downtown district, and pretty good view. There's a swimming pool, and yeah, this place is $170 a month. Gym, swimming pool, near the train, which is more expensive, in a downtown area. Definitely pretty good by American standards. And there's a train over there. Maybe you can see it, I don't know, in the distance. And yeah, there's some more over there. Swimming pool that I won't go in. I see birds coming in here all day long, drinking, bathing in there. And a little thing here to sit in, and it's pretty nice up here. So this is Bangkok. Yeah. Okay, here you go.